friends, I am Rupam and welcome to Rupam's tutorial. Today I will discuss squares from 325 to 375s in a few seconds in your mind. This is going to be a little tricky because these are going to get very hard, and I think that you have memorized this chart from 1 to 25 squares. If you did it, then okay, you can do these tricks and it will be simple for you. Let's start with the first number. Let's say 343. At first, how much it is smaller or greater than 350? It is 7 smaller than 350. As it is 7 smaller than 350, we will again deduct 7 from 343, which is essentially meaning subtract it. So 343 minus 7 equals 336. Then we have to divide this by 2, which equals 168. Now we will multiply this with 7. It equals 1176. What is the square of 7? It is 49 and it is a 2-digit number. So we can write this next to 1176 and this is our answer, 117649. Let's take our next example. Our next example, let's say 362. Now, it is 12 bigger than 350. As it is bigger than 350, we have to again add 12 to 362. Then 362 plus 12 equals 374. The half of 374 is the half of 374 equals 187. Now we multiply this with 7, which equals 1309. Then we have to square this, which is 12, the difference, and it equals 144. It is not a 2-digit number. Well, it is a 3-digit number. So we will write 44 next to 1309 after adding 1 the hundreds place to it. So 1309 plus 1 equals 1310, and we will write 44 next to it. And this is our answer, 131044. Now you can go on with this for any number you like, from 325 to 375 in your mind, and do a lot of practicing at home because these are going to get very, very tricky. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.